Alright guys, here with Siterwell smoke alarm. This is a photoelectric smoke alarm. It says it has a 10-year product lifespan, which is what I liked about it. 85 decibel alarm, which is plenty loud. So inside of the box we have a nice magnet plate. So this makes installation super easy. You just peel off this 3M stick, put it wherever you want. You stick this to the back of your smoke alarm and you got a magnet plate for wherever you want. So that's pretty nice. They also do come with the traditional screws with a couple of lags for you. And then we do have our smoke alarm. Plain and simple. It does have a push to test, and it does have a tab here. You pull this out so that way it starts to work. Let's go ahead and push it. Oh yeah, that definitely works. So that'll let me know it has this base, which is what I'm going to use. This base does have this little finger in here, which goes here and it turns the alarm on and off. So you just got to make sure that finger lines up with that hole, and then once you twist it, you're active. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy up on the roof. Now I had an old one in here. This is the basement. It went out, so I'm gonna try to use some of the old hardware, but if you need to, you can definitely put new hardware in there. So I think I'm going to I'm actually gonna go in between so that way I can hide my old hardware. Now it's not very heavy, so you can definitely lag it in. For now, I'm just going to screw it into the drywall. This is actually, I think I hit a beam right there. So it's going to stay nice and secure. Let's put him up there. Remember, we do have that little locating tab, which I'm going to line up. Twist. Super easy install, and then here we go. Oh yeah, and then you gotta see, push it on, push it off. Easy, very easy, very loud. It's exactly what you want. If you guys want to pick up one of these from Sitwell, click on the link below. We'll have it ready for you so you can grab one of these. Very easy to use fire alarm, smoke detector.